Welcome to 5.4 Sum and Difference Identities for Sine and Tangent. I'm going to do example 3, which is to verify tangent of pi over 4 plus x plus tangent of pi over 4. And we want to show that equals 2 secant squared x over 1 minus tangent squared x. Now, usually our rule of thumb is we start with the side that has a fraction in it. However, we have the tangent of an a plus b and a tangent of an a minus b, which will quickly turn into fractions. So for tangent of pi over 4 plus x, we get tangent of pi over 4 plus tangent x on top. In the denominator, we get 1 minus tangent pi over 4 tangent x. Now we'll do the same for tangent of pi over 4 minus x, except the signs will be switched. So the next thing we need to do is find out what tangent of pi over 4 is. Pi over 4 is the same as 45 degrees, or the tangent of pi over 4 is 1. So replacing all of the tangent pi over 4's with 1 minus tangent x over 1 plus tangent x. Again, because the tangent of pi over 4 is 1, so 1 times tangent x just gives us tangent x. Now we have the addition of two fractions with different denominators. So we need to figure out what our common denominator is. And that's going to be 1 minus tangent x times 1 plus tangent x. So on the left, we already have the 1 minus tangent x, so we need to multiply 1 plus tangent x to the top and the bottom. And on the right, we already have a 1 plus tangent x, so we need to multiply top and bottom by 1 minus tangent x. So now we will carefully multiply out the top and the bottom. I've written out every single term of the multiplication in this blue step here, but we would like to be able to skip to knowing that 1 minus tangent times 1 plus tangent will just give us 1 minus tangent squared x. And on the top, because this ends up being a perfect square trinomial, so we get 1 plus 2 tan x plus tangent squared x. Similarly, on the right, now we have our common denominators and we can pull them together. Our common denominator will be 1 minus tangent squared x. And now we can combine like terms. So 1 plus 1 is 2. The 2 tangent minus 2 tangent will cancel. But then we have tangent squared x plus another tangent squared x is 2 tangent squared x. Now at this stage, once we've combined the two fractions, let's take a look at our goal. Our goal is 2 secant squared x over 1 minus tangent squared x. So our denominator is done. It's correct because it's already ready for this right-hand side. But the top is not quite in the right form. So since there is a 2 out front, I'm going to factor a 2 out of the numerator. And we're left with 1 plus tangent squared x. On top, and still the bottom stays the same. Aha! 1 plus tangent squared x is a Pythagorean identity, which equals secant squared x. So therefore, we get 2 secant squared x on top and 1 minus tangent squared x on the bottom, which is in fact the right-hand side. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.